Hi, I'm Tom for Waterwise Botanicals, and I thought I'd have a surprise for you today. You know, it's summertime, people are starting to get together, and a lot of times they'll put together a barbecue or a party. And so I thought I would bring for you a party favor. And the party favor is this: daylily flowers. Daylilies are easy to grow plant. They flower almost all spring, summer, and fall if you get the good varieties from us. And they come in all different colors. But what I bet you didn't know about them is that they're actually edible. They're also actually pretty. They're also actually come in a lot of different colors. So the next time that you put together your party, the party favor for you is that you can take these daylily flowers and put them in your tropical punch. It's nothing like floating the colors of these flowers around in the surface to make it look like you spent the big bucks on your party. Very easy to do. Now, daylilies are yummy. The only problem is that I wish that if it was yellow, it would taste like lemon. If it was pink, it would taste like melon. They just taste like daylily. Now, I want to give you one little tip before you drop those babies in the punch. Inside of the flower are the reproductive parts of a plant. So that's the pistil, and these are the stamens. The stamens have pollen on them. Good idea to pinch those out before you drop them in the punch, because some people get all sneezy from that pollen. In fact, I'm one of them. First time I tried it, little bits of sneezes. But when you do it like this, it works great. And your people and guests are really going to enjoy it and think you're pretty cool and laid out the big bucks at your party. Tom for WaterwiseBotanicals.com.